Hello everybody, welcome back to another Chatgpt AI tutorial. In this one, I'm going to show you how to use Chatgpt to make $213 a day on average. And before I just throw a number out there randomly, I'm going to show you how I came up with the number so you know that this is not just some clickbait title that somebody just made a number up. Okay, what we do is we're creating Amazon SEO, where we're doing Amazon copy for products. So a lot of companies out there, and I'll show you an example in a second here, have great products, but their product descriptions are just terrible. And you, as a marketer or a copywriter, can go in and offer your services and make that kind of money. So anyways, 213 is what I came up with. Here's how I came up with the number. I went to Indeed.com. Here's the average base salary is $55,463 per year for this type of position, and it seems like a pretty fair number. I also went to Amazon and looked up the Amazon copywriter salary and comparably said it's 86,000. So, I'm not going to use the higher number, but I do want you to know that it varies, and I'm using a conservative estimate in my opinion. Now, we took that 55,000 number, we divided it by the number of working days, which is 260, and here's the math, $213.31 or 32 cents a day, whatever, something like that. Now, let's get into this and let me show you how to make money and do this. The first step, you got to go to Amazon like I've done here. I've done a search for energy drinks, and when you search for energy drinks, let me just show you here. Now, the first page, of course, there's going to be all these sponsored. You're going to see things like Rockstar and Guru and all these big names, C4. You go into these ones, and in almost all cases, but not all cases, they have great product descriptions because they're huge companies. They make tons of money and they can afford a copywriter and pay them tons of money. Fine and dandy. But I found one right here on the second page that's called Propel Kiwi Strawberry. Enhanced water with Gatorade electrolytes, whatever that means. I don't even know. But here it is. It's got great reviews, but let's see where we make the money. What you can do as a copywriter, as a SEO person, or as a digital marketer or a marketing agency, you look down here and you go, okay, great. Look at this. It has basically 2 lines for their product description. It is completely inadequate. And you can offer your service to help write awesome copy, and you can do it using Chatgpt. So let's get into the magic. Here we go. Chatgpt loaded up. The first thing you need to do before you even go into Chatgpt is select this. You need to Command-C or copy or Control-C and copy the URL because we need this for the Chatgpt. Now, go into Chatgpt and go write, and here's where it gets really interesting. Write a 1,500-word Amazon product description for the following product. And then, space, I'm going to Command-V or Control-V and copy in the URL. You have to do that or else it won't work. Hit enter. Watch this. Introducing Propel Strawberry Enhanced Water with Gatorade Electrolytes, the perfect way to stay hydrated and energized during your workouts or daily activities. Blah, blah, blah. This is excellent copy, and we can even make it better. So here's the thing. It gives you some basic high-quality copy, but let's say Propel Kiwi is more, your target audience is 25 to 40-year-olds. The workout types are 22 to 40-year-olds that work out in gyms, younger people. What do? You go, this is great. For example, can you rewrite this with let's go 20 to 40-year-old target market in mind. Enter. Watch this. Now it's going to give you another product description, and the first one was awesome. So I would take the first one and copy paste it and put it into a Microsoft Word document like this. As you can see, I've done something like that already. And I can go over this and go, okay, I like this, I don't like that, I do like this. Now I'm going to take the first one, copy and paste it in. I'm going to take this one, and as it slowly rolls its way through, I'm going to copy and paste this in. And again, you can see here that I can, in a nutshell, I can target by demographic, by age. I can target by gender. If it's a female-run company or a male-run company or whatever is key to selling it, you can just ask Chatgpt to include that, and it will give you an amazing piece. So just take these things, put them into a Word document, cook them up. That's it, guys. Make money. That's how you make money with Chatgpt. Thanks for watching.